In 1901, sponge divers near a tiny Greek island made a discovery that changed history. A corroded lump of bronze with gears. Gears? From ancient Greece? This wasn't normal. It was called the Antikythera Mechanism. A machine built over 2,000 years ago that could do something shocking. Predict solar eclipses. Map the stars. Track the Olympic Games. And calculate planetary movements. All in a time when most people used candles and chariots. It had over 30 precision bronze gears hidden in a wooden box. For centuries, no one knew what it did until modern X-rays revealed its secrets. It was a mechanical computer, built 1,500 years before we even had clocks like this. Some call it the iPhone of ancient Greece. Who built it? Some say Archimedes. Others think it was lost tech from a forgotten genius. But here's the twist. No other device like it was ever found again. It's as if this knowledge vanished. A 2,000-year-old computer at the bottom of the sea, built before it should have been possible. A machine so ahead of its time it still leaves scientists speechless. Some things in history make no sense, until you look deeper. Subscribe for more forgotten genius and real mysteries.